Hey everyone, in this session I am going to talk about how we can convert our local time value to the UTC time zone value. So now let's get started. So this is my Power Query window where I have the time value capturing like this. So this is my local time and I am capturing this value in a IST time zone. Now I want to convert this time value to the UTC time zone value. So how can I do that? For that I need to follow two steps over here. First of all, what I need to do here is this is my date time value. I need to convert this value to the date time zone value. For that, I need to add one custom column over here. So just go to here, click on custom column. So it will open this pop-up for you. Add a custom column over here. Now we need to convert our normal date time value to our time zone value. For that, what we need to write here, we need to write here a function that date time zone dot from. So basically this function accepts the date time value as a parameter, so which I just need to add this time value over here. So what it will do is it will convert my time value to the date time zone value. Alright, just click on OK. I already have created this column, so I'm clicking on cancel over here. So let me show you my already created column over here. So this is my column that I created. So you can see that this is my IST time zone, and whenever it is converted to the time zone, I can see us like this. This is my time, it's plus 5:30. So time zone value has been added over here. Now as a part of next step, what we need to do here is we need to create one new time zone, new column, and we need to convert our time zone value to my UTC time. For that you need to write a function that date time zone dot UTC. So basically this function will accept the date time zone as a parameter. So for that we need to use this created custom column over here. We cannot use directly this time column over here. That's the reason I need to convert that to the time zone value first. Right now just click on OK. I already created, I'm clicking on cancel. Now let me show you already created column over here. So this is my UTC time zone value. So now you can see that this is my time zone 7 a.m. morning. It is converted to 1:30 a.m. UTC, right? So this is how my time zone is converted to the UTC time zone, right? And now you can see that time zone is plus 0 because UTC always refers 0, right? Now let's do one last thing. At last you want to change its data type. So for that what you need to do here is just select both of this column, right click on that, and here you have an option change type and convert your type as a date time zone. Alright, so that is how you can easily convert your normal date time value to UTC time zone value, right? Alright, now click on close and apply. Okay, so hope this is clear for you now. This is how we can convert our local time zone value to the UTC time zone value. If you have any question related to this concept, you can add your suggestion with me in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on all social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp. If you wish to receive the daily notification from my channel, just click on this link. It will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving the daily notification on your WhatsApp number. Stay connected with me. Have a great day. Goodbye.